In this video, I'll show you how to create and apply a custom Discord theme for free using BDeditor. This is the best way to get a personalized look with custom backgrounds and colors without needing a Nitro subscription. First, make sure you have BDeditor installed. Once it's ready, open your Discord settings by clicking the gear icon in the bottom left. Scroll down to the Better Discord section in the sidebar and select Themes. At the top of this menu, click the Open Themes folder button. A folder will pop up on your computer. Keep this open, as this is where your theme files will go. To create your theme without any coding, head over to an online editor like BDeditor.dev. Here, you can pick a template and customize everything from the background image to the font and accent colors. Once you're happy with your design, click the Download button to get your custom CSS file. Now, take that downloaded file and drag it directly into the themes folder you opened earlier. Back in Discord, your new theme will instantly appear in the list. Just toggle the switch to turn it on, and your Discord will transform immediately. And that's it. You now have a completely unique Discord setup for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Discord guides. Thanks for watching.